Hi, I'm Alex Quebbeman. I'm a first-year master's student in Dr. Ruben Keller's lab in Loyola's School of Environmental Sustainability. In the summer of 2023, we found and identified a non-native aquatic plant in Jackson Park, Inner Harbor in Chicago called Starry stonewart. Starry stonewart is native to parts of Europe and Asia, and it was introduced a few decades ago to North America as an invader, and so it's spread throughout the Great Lakes region. So starry stonewart can compete with native species out in the Great Lakes and affect the ecosystem and biodiversity. It can alter habitats and food availability. Starry stonewart can also impact the recreation aspect, which directly affects humans because the plant can grow in these really dense mats. For the scope of my project, it's just to do our best to identify what non-native species are out in the harbors of Chicago. The information that I found can be used by other people for management plans. Definitely feels like my research is having some type of impact on the Chicago region and Great Lakes region as a whole. It feels good that I am going to contribute to the preservation of native species and biodiversity in some way, and I'm excited to see where other policymakers and people in charge of management take this knowledge and see what they do with it.